breaks on Maddie's YouTube vlog. No, the show's finished now, and I have the pleasure of being with Maddie right now, and she seems happy, so that means the show was good, I presume. Yeah, I loved it. This is Piece of the World Tour 2024. You guys will now see the video. Like and subscribe below, obviously. And yeah, peace.
Bristol, I wouldn't do you that dirty. Come on, let's go. Tripping on. I took a little bit of acid, mama. While my uncle still scratching real. With the hand me down on me. Cause I love you, wish you never hit it. Now I'm on a trick ball warm and I'm swimming. Tripping on acid, shoot my gun backwards. That breaking down, bitch, I'm on my own. Oh, so trippy. I feel like we on Paris on this shit. When it goes first, I'm in the list. Can we smile?